So after we found the square on the floor, we know for a fact that our hole has a depth of 6 inches or half a foot. We don't have this for our grid. Our grid is designed for floor, for ceiling, for sidewalls. There is nothing for below our floor. There is no grid for that. As I said in the first video, only place that we can do the measurement is on the corner. Now we face the challenge. We don't have that grid for the grid to measure that depth for our hole. What should we do? We go back to the corner. Keep in mind the grid is half an inch scale, so it's different from our plan. I will come here half an inch on the corner, the only place that I can measure. There's a lot of stuff here. On the corner, I will extend my corner to below the floor for half a foot, 6 inch, right here, right? I extended the corner to go below the floor. Now what I need to do is that I need to use this elevation to extend either this wall or this wall to goes below the floor, so I can use that for my measurement. I'm gonna use this wall. Reason being is that this vanishing point is hard to handle. It's too far, it increased the error in my drawing, so I'm gonna use this vanishing point, so I'm using this wall to guide me on my elevation, despite the fact that it might be further from this wall. It's just, but you can do either or. I feel like the other vanishing point might increase my error because it's further. So this is how I extended this wall to go below the floor. I found it on the corner, use this vanishing point, extend this wall right here. Same rule as any other object. Now how I'm gonna use this height, not height, but actually the depth, to use it for my object is simply transferring these points, using vanishing points, make sure it's accurate. Take it to the wall. Take this one, the wall 2. Here. And then this time, after we took them to the wall, these 2 points came here, these 2 points came here. This time, instead of using the grid for up, I need to draw a straight vertical line down, right here. Wherever it touches that extended line, it shows the height, the depth for our hole here. Now, the only thing that I need to do is take it back to our perspective. Technically, you don't need this line. I'm drawing it, but I will show you why you don't need it. Right here. So this line that I took it back is actually this wall. It shows this wall for our hole. If I draw a straight line from this corner to intersect that line, it exactly shows this wall. Let me emphasize on the wall, right? And if I use this, the other vanishing point, it shows the other wall from this corner that we just found. So this is the hole that we have. Now, as I said, we don't need this depth because it's not visible. I took it back here, I take it here, but see, it's not visible. So there is no need for you to find out the elevation, the depth for this line, but you need to do it for this one.